What's going on, y'all? Welcome back to the channel. I know it's been a long time since I've done a video. Got my brother from another mother helping me record today. We're doing chest. So we started off with a pec deck fly, cable fly, just to warm up our chest. We're gonna get ready to go ahead into a compound movement, probably flat bench, either dumbbell or barbell. That's gonna be like our main exercise, and then everything else we're gonna work around just developing the pump. So we did 2 warm-up sets with this, and then 4 working sets. So our chest is nice and pumped right now. Got the blood flowing. We're gonna go ahead and get into this chest workout. Let's get it. Alright y'all, so I know it's been a minute since I've done a video, since I vlogged, so stumbling over my words. This is like my 5th take right now. So hopefully I get it all in this take. I know it's been a minute, guys. I missed you guys. I know you guys missed me. A lot of you been asking, where's the videos, when's the next video? I've been super busy, guys, traveling, doing military stuff mainly, and I just haven't had time to like pick up the camera and record. But now I'm not gonna make any excuses and do my best to record when I can. All right, so post-workout meal / post-workout shake is about to go down. This is a shake that I've been making for the past couple weeks, maybe 3 weeks now, and it tastes amazing, and most of it's due to the blender that I bought. So I'm gonna show you guys the blender that I bought, and I'm gonna show you what I put in the shake. All right, so getting into it, I went ahead and purchased this Ninja blender, the 900 watts. This one is just like a basic one, not the basic one, but it's basically a very simple one. My mother has the same blender, and about 4 weeks ago I was at her house. I made a shake with her blender, and I love how it tastes. It tastes totally different from just putting your protein in a shaker cup and shaking it up. And this blender like works magic. All right, so I have this Ninja blender that I bought a few weeks ago. I got 8 ounces of water with a little bit of ice. Then I'm gonna put 2 scoops of Nitrotech Whey Isolate Gold protein powder, double rich chocolate. This is a very clean one for your post-workout, and you can use it as a meal replacement. And also, guys, if you go to MuscleTech, I do have a promo code now, so go to muscletech.com, shop whatever, buy whatever you want on the website, and then in the checkout put Layne 10 for 10% off your entire order. All right. So I know a few people already have been using the promo code. I thank you guys a lot. So if you want to save 10%, and check muscletech.com, guys, because they always have some great deals. So back to it. Right now, right here, not right now, but right here, we have the platinum glutamine from MuscleTech as well. This is good for recovery, so I put a scoop of that in there as well. And then I'm gonna put another scoop of, or I'm gonna put a scoop of leucine, and I got this just from GNC. This is GNC brand right here. A scoop of leucine as well for recovery. We're gonna put 1 medium-sized banana in there, 1 tablespoon of natural peanut butter, just 1 tablespoon, and then I'm gonna put a handful of spinach in there for the greens. All right, so I'm gonna show you guys what this looks like in the shaker cup. So this is what it looks like in the cup. Now I'm about to blend it up. And this is what it looks like, guys. And it tastes amazing. Trust and believe, this tastes amazing. The spinach, you don't even taste it. It's like this blender purees everything, so it enhances the flavor. I could drink this shake all day, every day, no problem. So that's been the shake I've been drinking the past few weeks. Give it a try. Comment down below. Tell me what you guys think. You can make your own recipe. You can come up with your own twist. One thing I will tell people a lot, people always ask me, should I get chocolate or vanilla? If you're someone that wants a more variety of shakes, I say go with vanilla, because you can easily add cocoa to it to make it chocolate, or some kind of chocolate powder or syrup, or you can use strawberries, bananas, make a fruit smoothie, make a green smoothie when you get vanilla protein powder. So I love chocolate, so I always stick with chocolate protein powder. I don't have any vanilla protein powder, but if you're someone that wants more variety of shakes, highly recommend going with vanilla protein shake. Again, if you're interested in any MuscleTech products, go to MuscleTech right now, shop muscletech.com, and when you check out, put in promo code Layne10 for 10% off. But other than that, guys, you guys know how I feel about getting in some kind of protein right after your workouts. It could be food, protein shake. Make sure it's a good quality protein powder if you decide to go with a protein shake. But since I'm not in prep, it's okay for me to have protein shakes. And I enjoy it because it's like a sweet treat. One thing I like about having protein powder, for those that want to know, it's convenient. So you can put 2 scoops like in an empty shaker cup, and then immediately after your workout, you can just put some water and drink it. Or you can just go back to the house and make a shake like I do. But other than that, hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thank you for checking out the video. Make sure you hit that subscribe button. Make sure you hit that thumbs up button for your boy. Share this video, copy and paste this link, put it in your group text, put it on your Facebook, share it on your IG stories, whatever the case may be. Trying to get those subscribers up and just get my content out there more. Other than that, we'll have some future videos for you guys. One video I'll be doing is basically catching you guys up what's been going on with me lately. Another video I will be doing I've been getting asked a lot, how did I become a firefighter? So I want to share that story with you guys. A lot of you have been asking me about being a firefighter, and I actually had 2 guys that pretty much signed up in the Army to become firefighters because of me, and I thought that was very dope. So if you're interested in that, stay tuned for those videos as well. Until next time, guys, see you in the next video. Hit that subscribe button. Talk to you guys later. Peace.